Make yourself one today. Salmon patties. Salt and pepper the salmon. Drizzle oil. We're going to pop these into a 425-degree oven for 10 to 13 minutes. Remove the cooked salmon and shred. Refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes. Cook bell pepper and onion until translucent. Stir with salt, pepper, and olive oil. To the shredded salmon, add the cooked bell pepper and onion. Add in fresh garlic, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of flour, a handful of dried curly parsley, 2 tablespoons of mayo, add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, add salt and pepper, stir to combine. Heat oil to high heat, add patties, cook on each side for 3 minutes. For the lemon dill mayo, add 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 cup of mayo, add in the zest of 1 lemon, salt and pepper, add the juice of that lemon, stir to combine. There you have lemon dill mayo. Pair the salmon patties with some rice and store for future lunch. This can be stored in the freezer for up to a week. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more meal preps.